y'all. Okay, so before we start this episode today, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Let's Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it is important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you settle in like we do and drink responsibly. With that said, let's talk together.
And we're back for more, hopefully better. Okay, I enjoyed the last one. She's a hater. But anyways, this is more along your wheelhouse. I will say that, okay?
And what is that?
We are doing an espresso martini. I know.
I like espresso martinis.
So there was a time, like I really only tried espresso martinis starting about a couple of years ago because I just felt like coffee liquor that sounds like a recipe for disaster, only because I'm like, well, what if I get too drunk and I can't pass out, was like my
Coffee makes me use the bathroom, but I don't care.
Oh, okay, all right. So in her case, it's GI related, so there's that part. But I've found that a solid espresso martini is really a great way to end your night. So we are gonna try a recipe that neither of us have tried. We've made plenty of espresso martinis, but this is sort of like a different version to it.
Like they be drinking on the yachts, because that's what made me drink them espresso martinis.
Oh,
I was watching those below and on the deck or what show.
Okay.
Yeah, those people be liking those espresso martinis.
So we're gonna run through the ingredients and then we will get started. Okay, so you need vodka. You need freshly brewed espresso.
Ooh.
You need espresso powder or cocoa powder if you feel like it. Or if you have espresso beans and you want to do that, you can do that. That means something different, babe.
Oh, all right. Well,
that meant
blame it on the lemon drop. I feel like it's hard. Okay, go ahead. What's the next ingredient?
Coffee liqueur. I'm deeply concerned about her. And simple syrup, okay? And then we have our martini glasses, which are, our vessel of choice, and our shakers with ice. Okay. So let us begin. Okay, and if we are doing what I'm trying to do, which is our lesser ingredients, we're gonna start with our espresso. So this is a double shot.
Okay.
So I'll pour about 1 ounce and then leave you the rest.
So whatever's left is pretty much mine.
Yeah, that's you.
All right.
Okay, so what I have, I'm bougie. I will say there's nothing wrong with, the cold brew if you want to do that. Right. Something about fresh espresso does the thing. Let's do our simple syrup. So you can start off with that, 1/2 ounce.
Oops.
Or that.
Oops. I didn't know it was closed either.
Oh, my bad. Yeah. Excellent.
How much for the coffee?
The coffee liqueur, 1 ounce.
All right. 1 ounce. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Streamline.
All right, there you go. And finally, our vodka.
Ooh.
1.5 ounces of our vodka.
Ooh.
I know.
What's that?
Get all that.
Oops, my goodness. All right.
Okay. At this point,
Espresso.
we're ready to shake. We'll shake until it chills.
And then we pour. Zorling.
Yes.
Ooh, I feel like I'm on a yacht right now.
Oh,
Just
shit.
what the doctor ordered. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
All right. So to garnish, I'm going to be a little finesse about this. So I have a little espresso powder. I'm gonna.
You know what, sis? Go ahead and just.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Ooh, look at how fancy.
Okay, that should be good. I'm gonna dump the rest of this back in here. All right.
Definitely giving espresso off of the nose.
So
For sure.
now we're ready to taste.
Ooh, extend the pinky.
Yes, absolutely. 100%.
This is gonna be gone.
Drinking it right now. Oh yes.
It's about to be a lituation.
Pow, 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 pow.
Did it wrong. It's pow, 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 pow. But I don't think she does that. That's not up her alley.
I know. I'm just over here being. I had a glass in my hand. I don't want to get too animated because I will not spill. Is it my turn?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, I guess I'll start. I don't even know whose turn it is. But okay. All right. So there are a lot of different ways to make espresso martinis. You can do it vodka base. You can do it gin base.
I wanted whiskey base.
I think you can do it whiskey base.
Gin is okay though. Vodka will be my last.
We obviously are doing it gin base today.
Vodka base.
I said gin.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Okay.
It's the
We are
lemon
doing
drop.
it vodka base today.
Probably that Vesper. I don't know.
It probably is. But I did put mine away because I wasn't ready to commit to that. I have things to do today.
It's gonna take you back to the holidays.
And I'm not ready to go back there because I have responsibilities. So you know what I'm saying?
Responsibility.
So
What? Responsibilities. Be quiet.
really, ma'am?
I'm sorry.
Oh my God. Anyway, so
I had to get credit where credit due. Sorry.
our point is there are a lot of different ways you can make an espresso martini. I've never used this particular coffee liqueur. This is Cafe Granita. I like that. I use Kahlua generally because it's the one everybody knows about.
Right.
But this is good. This is a great alternative as well. Our point is, no matter how you spin it, I've never had a bad espresso martini. I do really enjoy these.
I do. I've never had a bad one either, but I know that when I watch those shows that which made me get the drink, if you're espresso martini connoisseur,
Right.
you know, you'll know the difference. They're really
You will.
particular. They're
No,
really
you will.
particular.
No, and I will say, quality always varies, right?
Right.
But in general, what I would say is stick to your favorite base liquor.
Amen to that.
Right. And if I were you, I would go for the freshly brewed espresso.
It actually makes a difference.
I think it makes a difference. There's absolutely nothing wrong if you decide to just get your cold brew and do an ounce of that. There's nothing wrong. But I do think that the flavor is a lot better if you do freshly brewed espresso. I'm gonna give this a 9.5. I think it's great. I think that this is a great drink for end of week, end of dinner, whatever. 2:00 p.m. if you have no responsibilities. Note the no responsibilities, please. But you could do it brunch. You could, as an alternative to the mimosa, you could do your good old espresso martini. Absolutely. So there's a lot of occasions that the espresso. God damn, heifer!
I'm done.
Jesus H. Christ. Jesus Bartholomew Christ.
I haven't done that in a minute.
Jesus Devontae Christ.
And
What is happening?
So, are you trying to relate me to a parrot? Skittles, Jaquavius, Skittles. What?
That parrot is wild.
Yeah.
What was it? Skittles, John Tavius, something?
Yeah.
Anyway.
Watermelon cooler, Johnson.
I just, the way, so you just guzzled.
It was actually good. Like, now don't get me wrong, I've recently had it.
Go ahead. Just go into your part.
I recently had espresso martini with whiskey. I went to a tea, what's it called? Tea sling? Oh gosh. Forgive me in advance. We're on our third drink.
Dang.
But nonetheless, I went to a class, Irish whiskey class, and the first thing that they gave you was a espresso martini. And it was definitely different. So it definitely have brought new light to espresso martinis. So even though this was good, you know, I would prefer whiskey at this point.
Well, if you think about Irish coffee, it makes sense that you could do it with like an Irish whiskey, right? Because
Facts.
you know what I'm saying?
Facts.
Like, so it's not a reach.
It's not a reach. But yeah. But overall, like, I love espresso martinis. If you had to give me some form of martini, espresso is probably the way I will go all the time.
That was loud.
But yeah, I was obviously, 10 for me. Like, if I can give it higher, like Denver always says, I'll go higher. But, you know. But nonetheless, 10 for me.
This is great. I mean, I have nothing bad to say. Let us know if you are down with the espresso martini.
Oh, don't mind me. I was just making sure I didn't.
Goofy ass bitch. Oh my God. Listen.
Please, sir, I want some more.
She's like, I need a IV of espresso martini right now.
Shoot me up, doc. Like, no, I'm just kidding. But anyways, you like it? I love it. I love it. I like it.
So our point is, if you have never tried an espresso martini before, you need to try that. Numero uno. Okay, that's just, you need to do that expeditiously.
Period, poo.
Or if you have, and you're like, I'm kind of on the fence, try it again. Try it a different way than you've tried it before, right? So if you've done vodka base, maybe you need to go to gin base. Maybe you need to go to whiskey base. Maybe you need to try it with freshly brewed espresso.
Everybody
I'm just
should try it
saying,
once.
give it a chance. I have seen several people, like particularly bartenders, probably because they're just tired of making it, where they're like, espresso martinis are like trash.
Yeah.
I like it. So if I go to your bar and I order it, don't give me a stink ass look, or you're not getting this like tip, Buki. Okay?
But typically when they have it on the menu, it's for more so brunch. I don't really see it on dinner cocktail menus.
Well, you could see it on the like after menu, right? So
Oh,
like,
yeah.
I wouldn't. Yeah, it's not something that you would necessarily eat.
Wow.
Let me try again.
Pause.
It's not something that you would consume with your dinner.
Huh.
However, for dessert, shut up, because what was you saying before? You was out here
We
wilding.
out
last
here
ep-
talking about some eating. I don't even know what I was talking about earlier. We can't put that out there. This is now. I was
Okay.
a whole different person back then.
So we just
I'm
supposed to forget.
I'm
the
a new
things that
person
you
now.
said
What I
before.
was 20 minutes ago or whatever.
That was you, boo.
You got proof?
I do. The cameraman has proof.
Cameraman delete.
It was the
whatever
same
it is
swoop, same shirt, same whoop whoop.
What? Yeah, no, ma'am. No.
I'm not saying that.
What you're not going to do.
I thought you were gonna complete your sentence.
I'm done.
Oh. Anywho. All right, listen, fam. Okay, so let's not get sidetracked. Goofy. Anyway, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe below. Espresso martinis are where it's at. Stop hating. Cameraman's wildin'. I'm not saying that. Okay. Go ahead and ring the little bell.
I like the old Amber better.
So, because I did away with the 4 eyes, now it's a problem.
It's affecting your brain at this point.
I know you ain't talking. I know
The
you ain't talking.
disrespect.
The way you guzzled that espresso martini just now, disrespectful. Like,
I didn't guzzle it down. I sipped it.
cameraman can verify that joint was gone in 2.56 seconds.
I sipped it. You act like I was a dust buster. So
Prove me otherwise. It looked.
you almost
suspicious.
done.
Yes, over the course of our episode, sis.
It was not that far off. Anyways,
Go ahead and just give us a like.
like, comment.
The
subscribe.
economy is tough. Go ahead and like.
If you
and
have any other
subscribe.
espresso martini recipes, please leave it below.
what
for
was
sure.
that?
Espresso.
Recipe.
Yes. Recipes. Darling.
All right, we're gonna be back. We're gonna try something
for
different. Yeah. So yeah, but it's still gonna be martini related. So listen, whatever.
Bye.